Valve here with another quick video. A little update on Red. Last time we spoke, I had vibrant resonators welded in with Corsa Sport axle backs with DBK long tube headers and a Cat X pipe. I've been trying to get rid of like 3K to 3,500 RPM rasp. Still kind of there, but I switched out the Corsa Sports for Corsa Extremes now, so this is just a little idle video. Car sat about a week. Pretty good chop, but test drive will determine if that rasp is still there or if it has changed the tone that is more acceptable, not so tin canny, high pitched crap. So far, the only mufflers that gets rid of it are the Full Master Outlaws. It changes the sound, but is exceptionally loud and drones pretty bad, but sounds great still. Here's just a little idle. Cushman Motorsports Stage 1 cam. Had my daughter do a little rev. I'm dying in the garage here with all the fumes, so I'm gonna have to back out for a minute. Give me some revs. Like 3,500. The gas. Like, do like 3,500, will you? I know this isn't the Coyote, but do like 3,500. The gas pedal. The one on the right is the gas pedal. 13 years old, trying to teach her how to drive here. Like 3,500. Slowly. Blow my eardrums. Again. Like 5. That's it. Sounds pretty good. Dying of fumes. Alright, you do that. This is a quick update. Catch you later. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.